Hi and welcome to Scholars Tutorial. I'm Jay, and this tutorial will be talking about the home of a form teacher. We have Ali Dayo is the person that logged in, and we have that he is a teacher, and well, we will be using his portfolio as the form teacher of SS2A. Now, if we click on this particular item, we'll have the homepage of the form teacher. Now we can also have access to this by actually clicking on this page. When we click on this, we have all the form teachers, all the portfolios of form teacher has been over the years. They will appear here. Then this one is the one we want to work with. We click on it to have access to that home page. Now that is the two. Those are the two ways in which you can have access to the homepage of the form teacher. Now he's a form teacher of SS2A, and these are the students in SS2A. Now when you click on any of these students, because they are linked, the name of the students are linked. When you click on it, you have access to the fuller detail about the students. That is this. Then let's go back to the homepage. Let's click that back button. Then this place is also an interface where we can have access to communicate to the students or the parents of the students. When we click on this communication, we'll be presented with this interface. Now we can actually, this is a modular way of sending message as an email to the parents or the students of the particular this SS2A. Now when you send this particular communication, and email is going to be delivered to their inbox, and also when they on their account, on their Scholars user account, they will have a notification with the communication as with the detail of that email or detail of that message there. So in the case whereby they don't access their email card, they can also access their Scholars account, user account, and they'll have access to it. And that is that for that. And in this particular interface, we have that this particular links here will be used to send to the parents. This one will be used to send to the students themselves. Now when you are sending to the parents, you can click here to send to all parents. You can click here to send to the parents of boys. You can click here to send the parents of girls. You can click here to actually select or deselect the particular ones you want to send to. Now the same thing for here, the same thing here, you can click here to send to students, and this one to send to the male students and female students. You can click here and you will be required to deselect some of them, or if to select some of them, because all of them will be pre-selected. This one, none of them will be pre-selected. You just select the few that you want the message to be sent to, the communication to be sent to. Now let's just use one as an example. If you want to send to all the parents, if you click here, you'll be presented with this interface telling you that you are sending to all parents of students, and all parents of students. Remember the communication is for SS2A students. Now when you can write the subject of the communication and the body of the text you want to send to them. Then you can go back by clicking this back button, and we can also send to parents of girls. So we can filter. Now you can filter it out. Okay, let's say you don't want to send to the parents of this particular student, but you want to send to this particular student. So that is the way this one works. And this one, you can click this one, and you all of them will not be, none of them will be pre-selected, and you can select just the few you want to send to, and you specify the subject and the message, body of the message. You can go back and get back to this one. You can also use this navigation link here to actually have access to sending to the students themselves, not the parents. At this juncture, we have come to the end of this tutorial. Thank you for checking out this tutorial. We look forward to seeing you in the next tutorial, and make sure your school is signed up on Scholars.